G'day everyone. Got my fiddle here, my good old violin, because today is the big barn dance. Yee-haw! You know, I can't wait. It's time for a barn dance down on the farm today. So grab your boots and your cowboy hats and shout yippee, yippee, yippee-yi-yay. Yes, sirree. All right, animals, come on out. Hey, all the animals are missing. Maybe if I call them using their farm animal sounds, they'll come. Chicken. Maybe I can make a chicken sound on my fiddle here.
You called Farmer Ainsley?
It worked! Hey, cheeky chicken, it's the barn dance today, remember?
Of course.
Now, who else is missing? The cat. Now, I need a meowing sound for that one, so maybe I can use my bow.
Meow. Did somebody call?
Oh, the meowing sound worked! Hey, kitty cat. Now, I just need to call the goat, so I need to make that bleating sound. I could saw my bow.
What's that, Farmer Ainsley?
Hey, hootenanny goat. Remember the barn dance today?
Oh, yeah.
My good old fiddle did it again.
No! No! I thought I heard some horses' hooves. No!
All right then, everybody. Grab your partner and let's get dancing.
Hey!
It's time for a barn dance down on the farm today. So grab your boots and your cowboy hats and shout yippee, yippee, yippee-yi-yay. Now bow to your partner, tap your heel and toe. Hands on hips, bend your knees, let's go. With an E and an I and a do-si-do. Whistle a tune and away we go. Hi-5, low-5, do-si-do-5. Another great day on the farm. On the Hi-5 farm.
Do the jungle jive. It's a jive in the jungle, it's a jungle jive. When all of the jungle comes alive. Hear the jungle beat. Ooh, 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 ooh. Feel it in your feet. Now jump and slide. It's a jungle jive. It's a jive in the jungle, it's a jungle jive. When all of the